Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Welcome back to the
We
Charts
have a
Game
liftoff.
Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Sunday, October 12th. XRP's at 252. Let's dive right into the charts and see what's going on here. Dang, look at that recovery on the 4-hour. We've had a nice bounce up here. This is for, I'm looking at Ethereum here. XRP, let's dive over to it. Not as good as Ethereum's, but ultimately, when I made this video, we were right over here at 240. So we're now sitting at 254. Yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. We made it all the way up here. Resistance is at 260 up here. We got up to 258. So, are we going to continue on up to 260, see if we can get above that with a 4-hour close, or potentially come revisit the 244 range. So that's the immediate short term. Looking at the daily as it reloads, there we go. We are getting that move up here. We had a massive wick down. We'll have to see if some of this wick ends up filling. But looking at the weekly here, the weekly has just closed an hour ago, and we managed to close above 244. So ultimately, guys, we clearly broke this structure. But at the end of the day, some might say that, I don't know, it's broken. It's broken. We'll really have to just kind of see. I mean, ultimately, we're above 244, which is good. We'll have to see how the next week plays out. I do honestly believe that we are getting ready for a massive move to the upside. We're going to move to the upside faster than we move to the downside with this wick. The RSI is reset for a massive cross and for price action to go parabolic to the upside. Let me know what you guys think down below. I want to bring something up on X. If you guys don't follow me. We got 8 XRP ETFs will be approved this month. So prepare for some massive news. We've got a couple of them on October 18th, which is what is that, Friday? In a couple days here. And then the 19th, the 20th, as you can see, the rest of October. Starting this week, massive news coming. Many XRP ETFs, so that's pretty big. Here we go from Crypto Wizard. This is not the end. Capitulation does not mark the end. Back in 2017, XRP had a huge capitulation wick. 6 weeks later, it exploded upside and never looked back. It just had the same capitulation event. Can it repeat? So you can see right here, guys, it took, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 was that breakout week, 5, 6. It really, after that capitulation wick on the weekly, this was the 2 week. So 1, 2. Yeah, it was basically after 6 weeks from that capitulation wick, we started exploding up. So guys, in 6 weeks, we'd be in the middle of November. We could totally see something like that happen for XRP again. So this definitely is not the end, in my opinion. Nowhere near. So here we got 2017 and 2025. The Return of the King, the owner of the One Ring changes, and this is from Crypto Biliboo. Bilboo. I guess it might be how you say it. Wow, I must have horrible connection from where I am. There we go. He's basically showing the same thing. So, you can see this capitulation wick. And then he's on the weekly here, and then eventually after about 5-6 weeks, we shot up. Look at that weekly candle. That was insane. 1 week. So, he actually took a fractal, and he's showing the same type of price action. Next target being $26, and then ultimately $113, all the way up to almost $1,000, $600 plus. So this is definitely possible on a weekly time frame. You can see right here where the RSI was back in 2017, kind of dipping down there, and then we did just shoot up, and you can see right now we're just starting to dip down. So we've got a couple more weeks yet, guys, for this to come down, kind of fill a little bit before actually getting that clear reversal move. I don't think we're about to shoot up and go parabolic at all this week, next week, or the next week. Like I said, guys, November is the month, so we're looking at 4 to 6 more weeks until we actually see something exciting for this project. So I appreciate every single one of you guys tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until next time.
Good.